My name's Christopher Myers. I'm an artist and writer. I live in Brooklyn. I'm from New York. My family's from Harlem. And yeah, I make stuff. I can make anything I want to, but it doesn't really exist until it's in conversation with others. You know, we don't make in a vacuum. Everything that we make in community. My history with the Studio Museum is long. I've been coming here since I was a kid. One of the things that I've always loved about the Studio Museum is that it's a space for community. It's a space for old and young, for high art connoisseurs and random brothers walking in off the street saying, well, what's going on in there? And so I was especially excited to build something that was able to talk to all of the communities that I care about, from the community of children, to the community of Harlem, to the community of artists. The title of this work is called Harlem Is a Myth. Not in the idea that Harlem is some place that doesn't exist. Mythology is often more about larger truths, and Harlem has always been part of some larger truth. Even as gentrification happens and all these kinds of shifts happen in Harlem, there is some part of our dreaming that lives here. A good photographer invites the person that they're shooting to collaborate with them. These little girls, they're giving a gift of a pose. And in that, they're collaborators. When Richard Avedon's shooting Lou Alcindor, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, what does it mean that Kareem looks stoically at the camera, pridefully? What does it mean that, you know, Thelonious Monk wears sunglasses no matter what's going on? I love that collaboration. I love those stories. And I love understanding them as part of a larger mythic context. We have been relegated to like proving our normalcy. There's so much work in the world that's about us saying, you know, we exist and we sit in kitchens and we just be. But to be honest, I don't think that that's true of us. I think that we're a little bit more than normal. We're a little more extra. And I love that. And I love the kind of mythological resonance of Black lives.